Prepare to have your mind blown. You put the Aion V and the Tesla Model Y head-to-head in a range battle for the ages. The results? Absolutely shocking. You won't believe who came out on top. Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the EV world with a showdown you've all been waiting for. The Aion V versus the Tesla Model Y. In a no-holds-barred range competition, we're not just talking about manufacturer claims. Oh no, we're talking real-world driving conditions, pushing these vehicles to their absolute limits. We meticulously planned our route, factoring in city driving, highway cruising, and even some challenging inclines to truly simulate everyday usage. We kept a close eye on the energy consumption, meticulously recording every kilowatt hour. We're talking about the ultimate test to see which of these electric giants can truly go the distance. We're going to break down the specs, the technology, and most importantly, the miles. So buckle up, grab your popcorn, and let's get ready to see which EV reigns supreme in this epic range duel. This isn't just a review, it's a full-blown range explosion. So how did they perform? The Tesla Model Y, a fan favorite known for its performance and range, put up a valiant fight. But let's be honest, the Aion V came prepared. We were all stunned. By the results, the Aion V consistently outperformed the Model Y in almost every segment of our test. Even during the inclines where the Tesla was expected to shine, the Aion V showed impressive efficiency. It was truly a sight to behold. We carefully documented every detail, so you can see for yourselves the staggering difference in range. We analyzed weather conditions, driving styles, and even the tire pressure of both vehicles to ensure a fair and unbiased comparison. And the result was undeniable. The Aion V delivered superior range, leaving us and the Tesla Model Y in the dust. It was a testament to the Aion V's innovative battery technology and efficient design. Honestly, the Aion V's victory here is a huge deal. It completely shatters the existing perception of EV range. This isn't just about bragging rights, this is about real-world usability and peace of mind for EV drivers. This victory shows that there's a new player in the game, challenging the established order. The Aion V's incredible range proves that it's possible to achieve both impressive distance and a comfortable driving experience. The implications of this could mean big changes to other companies. We're talking about the beginning of a new era, where range anxiety is a thing of the past. The Aion V has set a new standard, and it will be interesting to see how Tesla and other manufacturers respond. The EV world will never be the same again after the Aion V's dominance. So let's celebrate the game-changing power and technology this brings. So what do you think of these results? Are you as shocked as we are? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to our channel for more EV showdowns, and share this with your friends who are thinking about going electric.